That's good. You use Sunny's mane and you balance. Now get your next one. Get your next spring. Left hand.
Yep. Oh, is it going on that one? Is that right?
Yep.
Okay.
Left on left. Sit up.
Oh, sit up,
Up,
first.
up. Use this hand over on this side to balance. There you go. Perfect.
Great.
Is that all four?
Yeah. Oh.
Is that all four?
Pardon?
Yes? All right, give yourself a clap. Yeah! All right. My turn. Rings. Now I want you to use this hand. I want you to keep this hand over here to help you balance. All right?
Are you balanced right now? Are you feeling balanced?
You feel a little tippy to me.
Yeah, I think
we
you're
should
tippy.
scoot this way a little bit.
I think so.
There
Feel
we
better?
go. Okay, here's your first